We just got a latest scan coming in. Sometimes you'll see a quick update. That's our radar updating, and you're looking at velocity, which is how the storm is moving and how it is rotating. This is a little bit messier than it was before, but we've seen this several times over about the last 45 minutes. We know for a fact that this has produced a tornado. We also know that it has lifted and perhaps touched down again. So that is our biggest priority going forward right now. Here's a glimpse of that reflectivity. This shows you where the heaviest rain is. This shows you again where that tornado could be touching down. Anytime we see an individual cell that has a little bit of a hook or a little bit of a curvature to it, we do keep our eyes open for a tornado. So again, you can see over Parkville is where that rotation continues to be right now. I'm going to take you down to street level. We'll see if they continue to extend the update. You can notice, or the extension of the warning, I should say, you can notice it continues to track off to the northeast. Portage Lake, you should be in that safe spot. We continue to see it track towards Michigan Avenue, towards the Fulton area. Again, if it continues to hold together and gets extended into Kalamazoo County, no word if that's the way that they're going to take it, at least for the time being.